As you can see, I've got a key missing from my IBM ThinkPad. Why not just replace the key, you may ask? Well, because some of these keys are a little bit funny as well. Here's the replacement. Looks a lot newer as well. Yeah, the nipple's not quite as warm. So let's zoom out, and let's get this replaced. I've got here the IBM service manual. Never done this before, so let's see what happens. What can go wrong? Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the latches to lift the middle cover away. There's a latch there, look. Oh, there you go, that pops off. 2 screws. Second screw just there, look. No, this should now just slide out apparently. Oh no, lift up and then it slides out. There you go. Does it help if I zoom in? What about that one? There we go, somewhere in between, look. Just got to lift the little flaps or the little sides up of this connector very carefully. There you go. Keep that one for spares and repairs. Let's get this connected. Use my trusted Maplin long nose pliers. Such a shame that shop didn't get its act together because it's now disappeared. Last but not least, the little trackpad one. I'm not going to put it back together just yet because I want to make sure that I've connected those connectors correctly. Get my IBM power supply. Let's try and power on. Yep, still working. Well, single post speaker is good. Windows 98 is now loading. Sounds like a David Brent dance. Do you think that's where Ricky Gervais was inspired from? There we go, just shutting it down. Remove the power. Turn it back on just to double check that I've not dislodged anything. I think I might see if I can get a new battery for this. Nice little laptop. Gronk, gronk. Well, the nipple's still working, the enter key works, all of these buttons work, and all the keys that didn't work before. Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching. Click on the like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and click on subscribe if you don't want to miss my next one. See you next time.